I think the biggest challenge for banks, especially community banks, is that they don't necessarily have an identity. If you can't, as a bank, create that customer experience that says you know me and there's a reason to bank with us, I don't think they've got anything to provide to that customer. Community banks can say, we know our customers, we can build relationships, and they are truly good at that. Bad in that sometimes in the value proposition when it comes to the type of accounts, the speed that they can deliver services, they struggle. And so they really have to figure out how they actually marry those two up. When we selected Nymbus for BankMD, a big part of it was this is a separate bank, meaning when someone picked up the phone, they needed to answer the phone BankMD. And so we needed a solution that offered that. So the business process outsourcing with Nymbus was critical to being able to make BankMD a success, as well as just making sure that the online account opening was seamless, because you're dealing with a generation, especially in this product, the match day loan, where you have younger doctors who are coming out of school. They're used to being able to do everything on their phone. So we knew we had to meet them there, and then also be able to manage business process outsourcing, the marketing platform, hiring people, training people, a whole lot of work. Typically, that flexibility and configurability of the Nymbus API was a big factor in going with Smart Launch. With the ability of Nymbus to help us open accounts and do it quickly and anywhere that we want and not need branches, we can take this to all 50 states and we can do it tomorrow. The team at Nymbus is phenomenal. The folks that we work with on the lending platform, the deposit platform, BSA AML are as good as anyone we've worked with in the industry, and continue to deliver great solutions when it comes to understanding what we need, figuring out and translating what it is that we're asking for into what actually needs to be developed, and then making sure that that's the plan that's executed on. With Nymbus, we went through our standard due diligence process around the cyber and data security, and we were very pleased with all the responses and the security of the data centers, all the methods, and the internal controls that we received. The innovation does continue, whether it's talking to the CEO or to the chairman or to developer or project manager, everyone's available. We absolutely feel like they've lived out their mission and values.